This video is going to demonstrate the backflow work order revisions that I made based on the feedback that I got. I'm going to point out that I've changed the name of the form from Backflow General Work Order to Backflow Work Order, but the software is still showing the old name. I've alerted Setaroot to this, and this will not be the case when I build it in production. But you can see right here, it still has the old name. So now let's look at the task list. And you see, it's all the same tasks that we had before, and I'll just kind of go in and look at each one of them. In the initial backflow information task, I can open the backflow work order type, and you can see I've corrected the pick list. It no longer shows any of the replacements or duplications, right? So this pick list is fixed, and that's the only change on this task. Backflow investigation, no changes here, still job ready to go, any additional planning needed, and a field to put in any of those details, so no change on this one. Encroachment permit, no change here. This is still the exact same encroachment permit task that we use on the leak work orders that lets us track all the dates. Tailgate, no change on this one. It's just the exact same tailgate form that we can launch as a related work order to any project or work order that we're on. And this is modeled off of the grade distribution pre-task tailgate form. So you can see it's all the same fields there. So this should look familiar to everybody. Backflow repair and installation. Again, we have a field for the details. I've adjusted this pick list to reflect the sizes that Jake told me that you guys normally use. As you can see, the pick list isn't quite right. I should have went 01-3/4 inch, 02-1 inch. That way the 10 wouldn't be out of sequence there. So I'll fix that when I build it in production. Then, of course, a field for details if other was selected. And then the backflow device type, I've changed this to RP, DCVA, and swing check as suggested by Jake. And the rest of the form is the same with address, city, contact name, contact number, etc. On the meter task, I went ahead and changed this. I got rid of the existing meter 1, existing meter 2, and we just have existing meter number, reading, read date, and size. And these sizes, this pick list is adjusted to reflect the sizes that are in GIS. And then new meter number, reading, date, and meter size. So as far as the backflow testing and site restoration, my recommendation is that we launch those as needed as related work orders. That's in alignment with how we do site restorations for other jobs, and it gives us the ability to track those work orders individually. It also saves the field user from having to close tasks that were not needed. In the case of the backflow testing tasks, there would be an initial test task, a repair task, and a final test task. And all those would have to be closed for every work order, even if a backflow test wasn't necessary. So I think related work orders are a much better strategy and allow us better flexibility to track these because they're their own individual work orders. So let me know what you think of this revision. If it meets our business needs, I can start building it in production. If there's still some tweaks we need to do, I can revise it again and do another demo. Thank you.